Hello and welcome to the Luscombe Suzuki video for this 19 plate Suzuki Swift SZT 1 litre Boosterjet in premium silver metallic. What a beautiful colour. You can see hopefully how it glistens in the sun. This is a great value for money car. It's one owner from new, full service history, 5-door, easily seats 5 adults and has ample boot space. The car has manufacturer's warranty left on it, and before you take delivery it will come fully serviced and with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty and a full valet. It's got the 1 litre Boosterjet engine on, which our customers absolutely adore. They love the power, the great fuel consumption on it and the ease that the car drives. So let me show you inside. It's got 2 keys, remote central lock-in, and it has a height adjustable driver's seat and a tilt adjustable steering column, so you can get into a really comfy driving position. In the centre you've got a 7-inch multimedia touchscreen which houses your DAB radio, your Bluetooth connectivity, and you have your smartphone link, which you use Auto Android or your Apple CarPlay via the USB port to play your music. You can mirror link your phone, answer your messages, send messages, anything that you want to do. Then you've got your multifunction steering wheel which houses the controls for the stereo, so you can access them from there, and also the voice activated Bluetooth. I don't think you'll appreciate the car until you can come and drive it, and you'll see what we mean. Please have a look on our website, have a look at the reviews, see what type of company we are, have a look at the technician's appraisal of the car, and come down and see us. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you. Bye-bye.